Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Real Wealth Academy, and this is Investor Tip Tuesday. This is the first one for 2021. And what we're going to do is revisit something that we discussed before, but now I've got a perfect example to go with it. And it has to do with goal setting and Plan B. I hate Plan B. You can go online and go to YouTube. There's an excellent video by Arnold Schwarzenegger where he says the exact same thing. I advise you to go watch that so you don't just hear it from me, you hear it from him as well. Plan B is more like giving up for most people. The example I'm going to give you is I met with a young man the other day, very sharp, good communicator, well built, just a handsome guy, he's got it all. And he says to me, man, I'm moving to Florida because I'm going to start teaching water sports. His passion is water sports, skiing, jet skiing, all of the parasailing over the water, you name it, thrill seeker personality. Now, I'm going to call him an A-type personality. His passion is doing exciting things like water sports. Then he says, and also, I'm getting my HVAC license, heating and air conditioning license, just in case this doesn't work out. There's his Plan B. That's not Plan B. That's giving up. That's having a dream. Hey, if it doesn't work out, I'm gonna give up and go be an HVAC guy. How many of you have figured out what's wrong with that? Here's a guy whose passion and joy comes from dangerous sports, and he's going to go be an HVAC guy. Do you not realize how bored he's going to be doing that? It's going to destroy his life if he goes and does that. He'll go 30, 40 years as an HVAC guy, get old and look back and go, man, I wasted my life. See, Plan B, if you're going to have one, has to take you to the same place. In other words, when I got into real estate, I wanted to buy apartment complexes. Well, I had no money and bad credit, so that was out. My Plan B was to buy single-family homes. I had no money and bad credit. I couldn't do that either. My Plan C was, well, I'll flip houses. I didn't have any money, so I couldn't flip houses. Plan D was to wholesale houses. Well, that doesn't require money or credit, so that worked. But you see the goal. Become a real estate investor. Plan A, B, C, and D were all what? Being a real estate investor. I didn't have a Plan E to go sell cars. That's giving up. You've got to think about that as you look at your life. Do you have a Plan B and it's really not a Plan B? It's giving up? No, you need to follow your dream. You need to follow your passion and do what you love, because you will live with regret. And here's the sad thing. Regret's not a week or two of regret. It can be decades. Avoid that regret. Live the life you want. Now, one of the ways to do that and ensure that you do that is to have written down goals. And what I've got to offer you today is an opportunity to watch the member goal setting class of Real Wealth Academy. This is for members only. But I'm allowing this to go out to non-members who watch this video for a short period of time, about 4 days. So if you are serious about achieving goals, you've got to write them down. This class will help you do that and even give you some suggestions for what you should and shouldn't set as goals. So if you'd like to watch this, below is a link where you can click it and we will get you access to that goal setting workshop. So thank you for listening. This has been Investor Tip Tuesday from Real Wealth Academy.